Hello and welcome to Acadlix LMS. In this video, we will explore the quiz settings section in Acadlix. This area allows you to manage quiz categories, quiz templates, and question subjects. These options help you to organize quizzes and questions more efficiently. You can add new entries, edit existing ones, and delete unused items. So let's navigate to the Acadlix, then settings, and then quiz. Here you will find three main sections: quiz categories, quiz templates, and question subjects. Let's understand each one by one. Quiz categories. Quiz categories helps organize quizzes into different groups. Let's add a new quiz category. Enter the category name in the add category field and then click simply on the add button. The new category will immediately become available while creating quizzes. Let's see how to manage categories. Using the drop down at the top, you can select the existing categories, edit the category name, or delete the category if no longer needed. This helps keep your quiz system clean and organized. The next section is quiz templates. Quiz templates help you save quiz settings and configurations so you don't have to configure the same options repeatedly while creating similar quizzes. Acadlix provides hundreds of the quiz related settings and options. Configuring these settings manually for every quiz can become time consuming. That's where quiz templates become extremely useful. You can create separate templates for different quiz types. Once template is created, you can simply select it while creating a new quiz. Acadlix will automatically apply all the saved settings and options from that template. This significantly speeds up the quiz creation and ensures all similar quizzes follow the same configuration. From here, you can rename or delete the quiz template. To add a new template, you can directly visit to the edit quiz page or add quiz page. Let's navigate to the question subjects. Question subjects help organize the question based on the subject or topic. For example, mathematics, physics, chemistry, etc. Let's see how you can add a new subject. Simply enter the subject name and then click on the add button. The subject will then become available while creating the questions. You can also edit the subject name, delete unused subjects, or reorganize your question database more efficiently. This is especially useful for the website with larger questions and multiple courses. Once added, these options automatically become available throughout the Acadlix quiz system. The quiz settings sections help you to structure and manage your entire quiz systems more efficiently. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.